The iPhone Southeast 4. Big changes for Apple's budget phone. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the rumors surrounding the iPhone Southeast 4, Apple's budget-friendly iPhone. This phone might be a great option for those who want an iPhone experience without the high-end price tag. But what can we expect from this upcoming release? Let's take a look at the latest leaks and reports. A design shakeup. One of the biggest rumored changes for the iPhone Southeast 4 is a complete design overhaul. Gone are the days of the classic iPhone design with the chunky bezels and the Touch ID'd home button. Instead, the Southeast 4 is expected to borrow heavily from the iPhone 14 design. This means a larger 6.1-inch display that goes almost edge-to-edge, giving you more screen real estate for your money. However, there are some key differences. Unlike the iPhone 14, the Southeast 4 is rumored to stick with a single rear camera lens. This keeps the cost down, but might sacrifice some of the camera versatility you get with the dual lens systems on other iPhones. Another big change is the move away from Touch ID. The iPhone Southeast 4 is expected to adopt Face ID for unlocking the phone. This means a notch at the top of the display to house the Face ID sensors. There have been rumors of a price increase to accommodate this change, but we'll get to that later. One interesting tidbit is that the iPhone Southeast 4 might ditch the traditional side buttons for a customizable action button on the side. This button could be programmed for quick access to specific features or apps, making your phone even more personalized. However, it's important to note that these are just rumors, and the final design could be different. Under the hood, when it comes to performance, the iPhone Southeast line has always been about delivering the latest chip at a more affordable price. The current iPhone Southeast uses the A18 Bionic chip, which is still a powerhouse. But for the Southeast 4, rumors suggest Apple will equip it with the brand new A18 Bionic chip, expected to be released in the iPhone 14 series later in 2024. This chip will undoubtedly offer a significant performance boost over the current Southeast, making it perfect for everyday tasks, gaming, and even editing photos and videos. The display on the iPhone Southeast 4 is another area where rumors differ. Some suggest it will stick with the standard 60Hz refresh rate, while others hint at a possible upgrade to a smoother 90Hz refresh rate. While a 90Hz display would be a welcome improvement, it might also push the price tag up slightly. Release date and price. With all these potential upgrades, you might be wondering when you can get your hands on the iPhone Southeast 4. Most reports suggest a release window sometime in the spring of 2025, possibly around March or April. This timing would be consistent with previous iPhone Southeast releases that typically happen during Apple's spring events. Now, let's talk about the burning question. How much will it cost? The iPhone Southeast has always been known for its affordability. The current model starts at $429. While there might be a slight price bump due to the rumored upgrades, most leaks suggest Apple will keep the starting price under $500, possibly around the $450 mark. This would still make the iPhone Southeast 4 a very attractive option for budget-conscious iPhone users. Is the iPhone Southeast 4 right for you? If you're looking for an iPhone experience without the premium price tag, the iPhone Southeast 4 is shaping up to be a compelling option. The rumored larger display, Face ID unlock, and powerful A18 Bionic chip all point towards a significant upgrade over the current Southeast. However, keep in mind that these are just leaks and the final product might differ. Here are some things to consider before making a decision. Asterisk, do you need the latest design? If you're comfortable with the current Southeast design, you might not need to upgrade. Asterisk, is Face ID important to you? If you prefer the convenience of Face ID unlocking, then the Southeast 4 might be a good fit. Asterisk, do you need the most advanced camera system? If you're a casual photographer, the single rear camera on the Southeast 4 might be sufficient. Asterisk, are you on a tight budget? Even with a potential price bump, the Southeast 4 is still expected to be significantly cheaper than other iPhones. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to wait for the iPhone Southeast 4 depends on your individual needs and budget. If you can't wait for the latest tech and are willing to spend a bit more, you might be better off waiting for the iPhone 14 series later this year. While we don't know yet, it's important to remember that most of the information about the iPhone Southeast 4 is based on leaks and rumors. Here are some key things we still don't know. Asterisk, the exact release date. While the spring of 2025 seems likely, Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. Asterisk, the final design. The rumors about the design seem consistent, but there's always a chance for last-minute changes. Asterisk, the battery life. Battery capacity is a crucial factor for many smartphone users, but there are no leaks yet about the Southeast 4's battery size. Asterisk, the storage options. How much storage space will the base model have? Will there be higher storage tiers available? Asterisk, the official price. While leaks suggest a price under $500, we'll have to wait for Apple's official announcement to know for sure. If you're interested in the iPhone Southeast 4, keep an eye on Apple's website and official announcements. We'll likely see more leaks and rumors surface in the coming months, giving us a clearer picture of what to expect. You can also subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on all things Apple. The iPhone Southeast 4 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over the current model. With a rumored larger display, Face ID unlock, and the powerful A18 Bionic chip, it could be a great option for budget-conscious iPhone users. However, with the lack of official information, it's important to consider your needs and wait for further leaks or Apple's official announcement before making a decision. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below what you're most excited about with the iPhone Southeast 4, and if you think it's the right upgrade for you.